Yo, what's up? It's your girl 2T's. I'm back with another video. It's been a minute, but shit, with all this inflation and shit going on, we had to slow down on them boxes. But check this out. I'm back today. I got the latest Scarce release, and I'm about to review it, see what they got. Alright, so I got the another $398 box again, but this time I did it a little different. I know when you go on there and you choose your box and selection and everything, you get to sometimes you get to pick what kind of like designer brand you want or you like, and they'll try to cater to that. But this time I did pick for me, so I don't know what's gonna be in here. Before I did an off-white box, I got off-white stuff. I did a V-Lone box, I got the V-Lone stuff. This time we did pick for me, so we gonna I'll let them pick. Let's see what we got. All right, hold on. I gotta take a sip for this heat we about to open. Hold on, hold that thought. All right, I'm back. Okay, so let me open this thing up. You feel me? 6 pounds. Shit, I wish y'all see my addy and shit. But here's the box. Boom. Open this thing up. See what we got up in here. You know what I mean? Alright. Of course it comes with your package slip. They're actually telling me what's on here, so I don't even want to look at it, We ain't gonna look at that right now. We'll get that later. It's a surprise. I want to be surprised just as y'all surprised, you feel me? Alright, so here you go. Here's that box, that's Scarce. That's that Scarce thing right there. Little gold size and all that good shit. Boom. Opens. Got a little flap, little magnetic flap. Open. So let's see what Scarce did us. You know what I mean? Let's get into it. It's a vibe. Alright, so here goes the gold box. Boom. Package for you and all that. Bow. Boom, bing, bow. Alright, so I got like 4 items in this box. It's kind of a first. Usually they give me like 2 items. So let's see. First item, they gave me a little off-white belt, a little accessory piece. Let's open that thing up. Bam. The off-white belt. The little standard industrial belt type shit. Got the tag on it. Boom. Look at that retail value. I paid $398 for the box, so keep this in mind. $225 for the belt, for just the belt. Okay? So I'm already almost getting my money back already on that one. So we're gonna put that to the side. Second item. Look like a V-Lone t-shirt. Boom, right? Let's open that up. And look at the retail value on this. $285, right? For the V-Lone. Damn. I ain't seen one of these ones yet. But yeah, it's a V-Lone. And they got the bone in the back. V-shaped form. Know what I mean? Alright. I can do it. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try it on. Let y'all see it. Hold up. Alright, as you can see, you feel me? I got the V-Lone t-shirt on. You gotta let them know your size and shit, I went an XL on this because sometimes my shit be dry and it gets small. You can see the back. You feel me? I don't know if I need to walk out a little bit. Boom. I don't know if y'all need to just come down a little bit. But that's that. It goes back. Alright, so that's the second item. Alright? Stay tuned. Good vibes only, by the way. Anyway, I had to sit down. All right, so you've seen the items. That's 2 out of 4. Let's get to the next one. Got something heavy up in here. I might have to stand up for this. Oh, okay. I see it. So, the next item is some Just Don shorts. You feel me? Hey, some good ass material. Nice, thick, quality ass shit. I'm liking these. Okay, Just Don tag, and boom. Boom! I already got my money back already on the box. You feel me? $4.95 for these Just Don shorts. Got the little logo on there, Just Don Dealers. Then I might have to put these on tomorrow. You feel me? I like these. Hold on while I go put them on. I'm gonna try these out and let y'all see these too, alright? Hold up. Alright. I don't know if you can see them. We're gonna pull it down a little bit. Hold on, maybe if I can move this box out the way a little bit. These are Just Don shorts. You feel me? I don't need to see my little socks and little chicken legs, you know. But yeah, that's the Just Don. They like a little nylon like feel up on them. I like these. I might put these on tomorrow too. You feel me? So I'm already feeling that, man. And overall, I'm already happy with this box, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hold on, let me, I'll be right back. Hold up. Alright, so that was another little item. You feel me? The little Just Dons. Just Dons. I like that, alright. So that's item number 3. They didn't just put this box together on no bullshit. You feel me? Hold on. Good vibes only. Alright, so for the last and final piece that we got, you got me on my grown man shit. Alright. This is a V-Long button up. Alright, let's see what it's really looking like when we open this thing up. And then feel me. Okay. It's a V-Long, little white button up. Got the V right there. Of course, you got the V-Long tag. Boom. Back is just a plain white button up. Honestly, shit, I'm gonna throw my little Dior's on with this. You know, I would try it on, but I don't think y'all want to see this on. It's just a plain, you know, little plain Jane button up, you know? Nothing fancy, nothing on the sleeves, just all white. One thing I noticed is, though, they don't have no tag on it. So, I don't know. A little sketchy. But, there ain't no price tag on it. Maybe this was like a little bonus gift or whatever, but it don't have no tag on it. I wonder if I can even resell it if I wanted to resell it. Because a lot of my stuff though, some of the stuff, if I get it on here and I don't really be feeling it or I ain't gonna wear it, I go on grill real fast and sell it on there, you know? So all in all, I still be getting my money back because if I ain't get it through the box, I'm gonna just resell it and get the money back anyway. You know, so I think I did that with them. What did I do that with? I think I sold an off-white shirt on there. I sold a wallet because it looked like a little female wallet. Like, I mean, I get on a female, but you know, I don't wear them kind of wallets. But and yeah, scratch that. But if I don't get my money through this box, we selling it back online at Grill and get your money back regardless. This might have been a bonus gift because they did tell you, like, if you sign up or the first 50 or 100 people that buy a box, you get a bonus gift. So it could have been a bonus gift I don't know which one, or the belt could have been the bonus gift, I don't know. But all in all, I think I'm satisfied with the box, you know. I've had other boxes where I didn't really trip off of them, where they wasn't all that, but you know, they still get your value back. So if you want to buy a box and to just get some high-end shit for cheap, you know what I'm saying? Because once again, the value of the box is supposed to be like, I think $700-800 or something, and you just spend $400. So that's actually, it's not even that bad, you know what I mean? You think about it, because if you add all them items up, I got the box back, you know, my $400 back plus. So it's all good. Here it is, and there I go. My hat doing some weird shit. I'm in here sweating. I ain't gonna lie to ya. We keeping the good vibes going. But sign up with them. Put your email. They gonna notify you when they dropping a new box. You feel me? And then when they drop that box on the countdown, you just gotta get in there and place your order real fast before they sell out, because they'll sell out real quick too. So that's another thing. And then what else? All in all, I can say that this box, thumbs up. Thumbs up, Scarce. You did your thing. You know, I said pick for me my designer brands, and they give me a little bit of everything. I got Off-White, Vlone, and Just Don. You know what I'm saying? Another thing I noticed though, like if you pick they have like a hype box or a hype mystery bag or box, and it's like, I think $150, but you can't pick your brand that you like. I think they just send you whatever, you know what I mean? But they also have a designer shoe box. So let me know in the comments if y'all want me to purchase one of their designer shoe boxes and see what kind of shoes they give it or whatever. I believe that box is $400, and you get like, I think it's up to $1,000 value in designer sneakers. So if y'all want me to be a guinea pig on one of those, let me know. I fuck with Scarce. This is my fourth box that I'm bought, so you know I'm fucking with them. And like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of other boxes or anything y'all want me to review and purchase for you, so y'all can see. I'll be the little test dummy on it, you know, the guinea pig, and I'll buy it and see if it's worth it. You know what I'm saying? Again, it's 2T's, man. I'm signing out. Thank y'all for watching. You know, drop a comment, like and subscribe. It's your girl 2T's, and I'm out.